Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in Content Marketing Advanced Strategies, we will discuss about how to create a perfect editorial calendar. The editorial calendar is an integral part of your overall content marketing plan, and without an editorial calendar, you cannot think of executing a content marketing plan. Editorial plan is a very important part, and what are the key ingredients and how you can create an editorial calendar is something that we'll discuss today. What is editorial calendar in the first place? Editorial calendars are used to define the content marketing process from inception to publishing. From the point of creating the content, the types of content that you create, the content that need to be published across multiple media channels, and when you want to publish, how you want to publish, is everything covered in the editorial calendar that you create as far as your content marketing plan is concerned. Editorial calendar provides an overview of the content to be published, the mode, the method, the channels, when and how you want to publish. Each and every key element of your overall content marketing plan is covered extensively in the editorial calendar. Editorial calendar is an integral part of your overall content marketing plan, and without an editorial calendar, you cannot actually go on executing a successful content marketing plan. Why we need to actually have a content marketing plan in place? Content marketing requires strategy. It is an extremely important point. It offers consistency. Roadmap clearly provides a clarity with what you are publishing, how you are publishing, when you are publishing, so that everything is documented. Goals and objectives can be set with the kind of content that you are publishing, what are the goals and associated along with the content that you are publishing, and the objectives of the same. The calendar offers a seamless process because each and everything is documented. You know exactly what you are doing and how you are doing. Scheduling becomes easy because you are scheduling each and every content that you are publishing across media channels with what date, what time, because everything is clearly outlined. Delegation of tasks makes very simple because there are multiple people who are working on scheduling and posting the content, so that they can clearly know what they need to do, how they need to do as far as publishing the content on multiple channels, multiple platforms is concerned. Now what we'll do is we'll show you a live example of how you can actually create a Google Calendar, a live example of how it looks like, what you can publish, how you can publish. Now here this is actually a Google Calendar, calendar.google.com, and you can log in into this calendar using your Gmail credentials. That is very simple. Go to google.com/calendar. You can log in with your Gmail credentials, and the complete information is available for you from the date, from when you want to publish. The calendar is available, and you can create a calendar. You can have the calendar available here from what date, what time. From the time on a particular date, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the complete information is available for you with a lot of features available. And what you can do is you can actually go to when you want to publish, on what time, what date, mention that. You can just go on typing the content. Let us say, for example, I want to publish some content here related to a blog post. What I do is I type my blog post and enter here. You create it. That actually appears here. This is the content that I want to publish on this particular date, and on this particular time the blog is created. The blog post, you can clearly mention that this is the blog post, and you can also write what is the topic that you want to publish on this particular date, on this particular time. So this is clearly defined, and whenever you can log in, it clearly shows each and every topic that you are publishing across websites, across blogs, across landing pages, and even on social media. Everything can be clearly laid down, and this becomes a seamless process for you, becomes much more easier. You can track each and every post that you are publishing through the Google Calendar. Now we will see a live example of how you can create a Excel sheet editorial calendar. Now this is actually a custom made editorial calendar using Excel sheet. If you do not want to use Google Calendar, you can create your own editorial calendar using an Excel sheet. Here you can clearly define the content marketing editorial, the date and the month that you want to specify. Let us say I am creating a content calendar, editorial calendar for the month of March 2017. What I do is I make the monthly theme here, then I put the title here in the heading. After the title, I put the publishing date, the channel where I am going to publish, and the type of content that I am publishing, and I have divided the rows into the weeks. The first week, March 1st, March 2nd, March 3rd, then you have got the Monday, March 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the second week, this is the first week. Then you can go on creating the weekly sheets as far as your editorial calendar is concerned. Now what I have done here is I have actually created the first month, the first week, then in the first week and the first month, the title they have given here is the emerging trends. In the emerging trends, I have given the publishing date is this much, this, and the channel that I am going to create is Facebook, and the content type that I have created to be posted on March 1st on Facebook channel, it is the infographic. Then I go to the second date, the March 2nd, I want to post a blog post and it is going to be an article. Then on the 3rd of March, I post a Twitter post and it is related to the tweets. And this is exactly how you can actually go on creating the custom made editorial calendar using Excel sheet. And you can also add some more topics related to the tracking and measuring of your editorial calendar, when it is published, or if you want to write, let us say for example a blog post is written, an article is written, and you want to say I want to put up an author here who wrote this article. You can mention the name of the author also, and this is actually a custom made editorial calendar that you can create and use it so that each and every part of your content marketing strategy is tracked, measured, reported, and everything can be streamlined, becomes seamless, so that using this Excel sheet you can create an editorial calendar that makes wonders for you to track the success of your content marketing strategy. After reviewing both the editorial calendars of the Google Calendar and the spreadsheet, we have come to the conclusion, and in conclusion what we have seen in this video is what is an editorial calendar, why the editorial calendar, a live example of a Google editorial calendar, and a custom made spreadsheet editorial calendar. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.